How to use Safety Check on iPhone. The Safety Check feature is very useful. In this video, I'll show you how to use it step by step. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Here, scroll down again until you find Safety Check, then tap on it. Now you'll see two options. The first is Emergency Reset. This option is used when you want to immediately stop sharing everything, like your location, app access, and data, with all people and apps. It's usually helpful in urgent situations, like if your device is lost or you feel your privacy is at risk. If you select it, just follow the on-screen steps to reset access, change your Apple ID password, and update trusted contacts and devices. The second option is Manage Sharing and Access. This is a more controlled method. It lets you review exactly who and which apps have access to your information. You can go step by step, stop sharing with specific people, and remove app permissions you don't want. Once you finish the safety check process, only the people and apps you approve will still have access to your data. And that's how you use the safety check feature on iPhone to manage privacy and protect your personal information. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone privacy and security tutorials.